Well, if you can see it, I snapped my clutch cable. The clutch cable goes down. It goes down in here. I can see it goes behind this metal thing. And then it goes down here. And then it comes straight around and right there. All I have to do is unhook this from there. There, I unhooked this from there. And then I have to unscrew that. And I am going to thread the other one down through the channel I just showed you. I'm going to hook it into here, into there. See how these all line up right here, and it goes in there like a bicycle. I'm going to hook that into there, put this down to here, and then connect that about that far. And that's how you change a clutch cable. You don't need to watch. I believe everybody's got intelligence, but that's your clutch cable. And on the Shadow, this is my cable. I was going to change it a while back, a couple years ago. Never did, and then it snapped. There you go. Okay, so first thing, I am going to clean this motorcycle though when I'm done. First thing, I'm going to take that little screw, and then this whole thing will pull off. So I'm going to do that, and then once that's loose, then I will chase the whole cable down with the new cable. I want to let you know that this is probably the only wrench you need, and it is a 12 millimeter. That's what you're going to need to unhook that, and everything else unclips, including up there by the and we're probably going to keep this nut. It's probably going to go on to the second one, I would imagine. Yep, this came off. I'll save it and it'll probably go. Oh, I just wanted to say that once I got this off, this I just pulled back through this collar so it doesn't screw in there. It just rests in there, so I'll probably put my new one around the same thing. See how it works. Alright. Oh, and you can't just pull this out. Oh, you can. You pulled that right out of there. Sweet! Now I could just feed my new one in there. Alright, I just chased this down. Chased it all the way down. I've got it out. I'm getting ready to hook that up. But once I got it down, I clipped it in behind that clip. That kind of keeps it off this hot pipe right here. I would, keep that. So, looking good. Go to the next one. There. Now I have this threaded down through here. I've got it hooked on there. I've got it through there, just about where the other one was set. Now since I got that hooked up, I'll take pliers or whatever and I'll pull this and get this thing hooked up in here. Here's a slot right. I'll go ahead and I'm going to need 3 hands for this, so I'm going to go ahead and hook it up in here and then pull it through here, put it in the slot. Well, I'll tell you what, I put it on so everything was snug and felt good, silent and everything. I'm going to take some that 3M dry lube with Teflon, and I'm going to put that in there, because it is rainy and it is open there, so I will do that, and I'm so glad I did this. Too bad it had to snap off on the road. And look at this. That's the end of the cable, the part that went into the grip. So anyway, that's that. Hope you enjoyed it.